Welcome! Pam here of Magic Studios. Thank you for showing up and watching, whether this is your first time or your 21st time. I truly appreciate you tuning in. Today I will continue to build on your pattern library. After feeling confident with the non-pareil pattern, you will open up a world of other designs. Today is the Gothic pattern on a non-pareil base. Pay attention to the drawing directions. I'll focus more on that aspect. So the tools you need today. You need a 1-inch rake or a single point, whichever you're comfortable with, to create a gelget. You'll need your non-pareil comb, the comb that has the teeth close together. And today you need a 2 or 3-inch rake. So those points are spaced out for a very specific reason. So gather your tools. My signature paints will always be available on my website. And let's get started.
And here we are in front of our tray. Yes, I have done a prior print, as you can tell, but let's build up the colors and learn the strokes necessary to create this Gothic pattern. And once you learn the strokes, you will just love this pattern. There are things that you can do. You can play with the widths of the combs that you use, and that creates different designs. The spacing of the teeth and combs make the pattern that much more interesting. So for these two prints that I'm doing, I'm generally sticking with my same tools. Always add some white in. It just adds that pop of contrast that is so needed. So using either your 1-inch rake or your single point, create your gelget. I find this is quicker for the videos. So vertical then horizontal. And like we learned last time, the non-pareil comb, again, is perpendicular to that last stroke of the gelget. Go very slow as you're drawing from the top to the bottom. It's already looking great. Now, grab your 2-inch rake, and here's the change. Start from the bottom and draw up. Okay. Divide your stroke and draw straight down. A simple change in direction is going to make this pattern one of your favorites. Careful placement. We've learned that, haven't we? And voila, the Gothic pattern. Oh yes, clean and crisp. Okay, always clean that tray, and let's get ready to do it again. So this time I'm doing a random approach of dropping paint on the surface and just have fun. Lots of colors. I love to see them interacting and floating by themselves and next to each other and on top of each other. And I may just let you watch this with the music and an interlude.
And I say it again, don't I? I am so sorry I keep saying the same thing. But I really like this pattern for the simple straight strokes that we make. So drop a comment below and let's start a marbling conversation. Don't forget to share with your friends and family who love marbling. I know you have a bunch of those. Until we meet again, this is Pam. Marble on!